Hello all, welcome to my channel. Here what you see is FreeCAD, and at first glance to say I am not professional in FreeCAD, I am more like beginner in FreeCAD. It is about 15-20 days that I using it, and that I have built like 3 to 4 successful projects. But I found a few glitches or bugs, or it is my it is problem caused by lacking knowledge about FreeCAD. I like FreeCAD really, but my problem, you're gonna see them. This is simple box enclosure. I mean, I didn't want to bother you with making this. So I will select bottom and make new sketch. That sketch going to be centered circle, like in the corner for screw inserts, hot inserts, you know what I mean. So like 8 millimeters. There it is. It's not constrained yet, so I will enlarge this. I will just turn it like this. I will add this what's called external geometry to this line and inner lines, and I will constrain this circle to these lines. So how I will do it? Just follow all my steps, please, so you know if I make mistake somewhere, you can point me to my mistake. So now I need a center of circle and this line distance. Let me see. Yep, it's a little out, so I need a smaller distance. Now it's 2. I will make it to 2.0. I think it will be no larger. Sorry. 2.5. That is not yet good enough. So let me see it. Total of 3 millimeters. If it is 8, yep, it will go inside. So now what's left? I need to constrain this to bottom, inner line, inner corner to be correct. So same constraint like what just happened. That was my mistake. Misclick to some. So 3 millimeters here, and it's green, full constrained circle. So close. I will pad it. Now it doesn't matter because it's not covered here in this corner. You see here that have not. It will not change anything if it go in or more out. Believe me. Height of this pocket, let me see, it's 20 millimeters. So I will go to this sketch, I will pad it and will make pad 20 millimeters. And boom, here's the catch. Select this surface only. Now, select it. You can't, you select everything. It's not that I can't make another circle in middle of and constrain it to the edges. I will do that later to show you second issue with this. But I wanna select this and do constrain next circle to its center. It's not possible like this. Look at it. If I click, it's sketch on wall surface. Of course I can do this, but I don't see this like sketch, standalone sketch. It integrated itself. This pad automatically integrated itself to the walls. That is my problem. So let's close this. We don't need this sketch. Okay, that pad, this pad, 20. But if I change size of this pad for 20 to 0.1 millimeter, what I will get now? Look at this. So why FreeCAD doing this? If this same size as wall, it will automatically integrate this pad with walls. For me and my knowledge about, let's say, Blender or CorelDRAW, or I'm not good in AutoCAD, but for example, I building a lot of is in CAD programs for electronics and developing new models, new elements, and so on. I never seen this behavior in any other program. Uh, I was looking guides on the YouTube as well. I was looking guides on the YouTube, and all guides was for some older version of FreeCAD. And neither one guide I seen was for version 1. It doesn't matter if it is 101 or 102 or today latest version released like candidate 3 1.1. It doesn't matter. It's just that it shouldn't work like this. And in all guides I seen, all videos on YouTube I seen, it does not work like this. I even made ChatGPT break his head. Its head. It's machine. Its head about this problem. And for him it was totally acceptable to make this change for 0.1 millimeter, 0.01 millimeter to be able to select this sketch and to constrain next circle to its center, not to the walls. It doesn't matter. Someone will say you going higher, that changed something. Look at this. 90 90.99. Again, I can select, but only if I make this same like walls, 20 millimeters, no more. That is what more, maybe there is other ways, but this is most simple way for me to make round corners for screw inserts, hot screws, hot inserts for 3D printing. Maybe there are other ways. I learned this way, and this way should work, and this way did work in older versions, but not anymore. Now, let's go further. I will now create another circle and constrain it just to be able to show you. So another circle, another in middle of this, let's make it 4 millimeters, and I will just constrain that to the walls as it is, so avoid these two doffs. So let me do this, and let me do this. Nice. Now center. I'm sorry because of TV behind me. When it's advertisement, it go louder automatically, and that is to provider who giving this program, and I hate that future. It automatically go louder when advertisement come. Imagine that in middle of night you watching TV, advertisement come, and you wake up all neighborhoods. So this is second problem. Please stay with me. 5 minutes more. I will constrain this with this line. No, I didn't select both. That is mistake, my mistake. Circle selected, line selected, dimension. Now it's 2.92. Let's make it 3 millimeters. So let me constrain. Can I do this with this? No, I can't. Yep. Can I? It looks like I can. Look at it. But it constrained to this dot, not to the line. Lol. So I can't select it like that. Sorry, it just came to my head. This, even I selected correctly, it constrained to this dot point, not to the line. Now it's okay. 3 millimeters. That is all what I need to be full constrained. So no one complain about that. I will pocket it now and we'll go through all pocket. So now you see pocket is 1,000. Now, okay, what I do need is to select this pocket and this pad and to use tools. First deselect everything, then select pocket, select pad. I don't know why it's selecting all. Part design, up, apply pattern, mirror it. Okay, I will pocket, I will add future. Okay, it didn't transfer this, so it doesn't transfer whole. I think it's my mistake, not. So I will again select this pad and this pocket, both. It should. This is new. Okay, now it works. I missed something in selection, so now it's working. It mirrored the same body to the I don't know, transfer vertical sketch axis. So now I will transfer same. If I try to transfer everything to the other side, look at it. Everything is transferred, mirrored like it should be. But if I mirror this, if I mirror part design, apply pattern, mirrored, only additive. Okay, I can transfer body without transfer tool shape, but that will not work. Base XY plane or X, no, X, this is. With this way I lose holes. Look at them. It closes them automatically. Okay, let's try different way. Let's transfer this to another corner. This is the way I use it because I can transfer mirror to white close holes. It doesn't matter. Look at it. It doesn't matter if I build this reversible from this side to this side. It will again during the mirror close holes, and there is no way how you can make them again whatever you change, I think I didn't try, but let me try while we watch this. While, while I, let me try this. So I need part design, uh, apply pattern, mirrored, transfer body. Its problem in transfer tool shape. I can bet it would work if I transfer tool shapes, but only additive and subtractive features can be transformed. English is not my first language. I even have no idea what it says to me. What are subtractive? What are additive? Futures. Okay, transfer body will work. I don't know. It should be not XX, not epsilon Z. Plane should be. No, it's not. So XY. Then XZ. YXZ. YXZ. X epsilon. Epsilon Z. XZ is this, and it transferred across. I don't understand this in FreeCAD, and what's important, there is problem with. So okay, that's okay. Now let me check this, and let me check this pad. It's 20 millimeter length. No, that is not right. Pad pocket length 5 millimeters. Why 5? It's true all. I change whatever I change here, it will not appear. I have no idea. This is where I end. This is problems I faced. How I did it at the end to make this. You see. Let me center it. You see how I did it to make this. You see, Hollis. I have no. I don't. I think I mirrored this shape to here, then mirrored this shape to here, and recreated this shape manually. It was 5 minute job. It was quickest way to solve my problem. But anyone have solution to get this result by mirroring, copying, or whatever? That is my question. I couldn't find guide for this, or at least guides which I found to doing this does not work in 1.0.2 version. And even I'm not sure everything what I showed where I facing problems are very simple things, but to me causing problems. And remember again, I'm beginner, I'm not expert in FreeCAD, and it can be very easy that I doing something wrong. But if Google don't know, if ChatGPT don't know solution, I had no other choice than to make video to ask everybody who see this. At least I hope someone will see this and answer me. Thank you for watching, and see you soon with my usual videos.